Okay, the stream is up. Let's start my bot. Also, voice attack. And then audio relay. Okay, the bot should be up. Player server as a mic. Okay. Okay, looks good. Mostly chat URL. Okay. To the left. Keep the browser open. Keep the chat window. Closing this. Cool. Hey, not HR. Welcome to the stream, bro. I know people would join now. That's why I didn't really stream these many days. Just tried to waited for a weekend. Welcome to the stream. Peace. Is my microphone sounding fine, or should I make any settings? I'll just do a refresh for the voice. Oh, it's definitely working. Cool. Okay. Thanks for 2 likes. Yeah, I need to refresh some of the code which we wrote recently. For that, I need an LLM running. Where is the LM Studio? Oh, looks like there is no microphone or keyboard for this one. Hey Manish, welcome, bro, welcome. Hey GIF workout in that GIF. Oh, not the OCR, bro. Sorry, I was connecting to the remote machine, so I couldn't see the chat. I wanted that machine to be used for the LLM instead of my gaming PC because, as you know, I'm using this for like streaming and the servers are running, so that's why. But I still have enough memory, so this should be good. Okay, I don't remember which model it is, so I'll just let it auto load. Manish, namaste. Did the GIF work? Please gift RAM. RAM is expensive. What is the cost of RAM? 16 GB RAM. Just need 32 GB. 60. DDR4 itself is $180, man. This is, I think this is laptop-ish RAM, not a PC one. Mine is DDR4. I got it for like $20 for 16 GB back in 2023 from Facebook Marketplace. We met at a theater, and I gave him $20 and he gave me 116 GB stick. Oh, I think yeah, the GIF command did not work. Huh. Oh, Relangi Mama is working, yes. Then why is GIF command not working? Let me try like refreshing the overlays, maybe that would work. Try it now, Manish, or else we can fix that first. I don't know, maybe the token has expired, or maybe we didn't get approved for the, yeah, oh, what was it? Clippy, right? Clippy. Probably my API token was like, what you call it, trashed or something, because I was not approved. Yeah, test API. So leverage up to 100 API calls per hour for building and testing an integration before requesting a production key. But we did not make 100 API calls per hour. I did get the token, or let's see. Hey, where was my the previous key? Yeah, it's there. It's there. It's active. So that it means it's definitely active. I How about we test it in local and see if I actually see an error instead of guessing something. Need refund? Yeah, I think I have a setup I already built where I give points back to you. Even Relangi Mama, yeah, Relangi Mama is working. I thought maybe Relangi Mama is not working, then something might be wrong. But looks like my setup is fine. It's something's wrong with Clippy. Try a speak command. Maybe if that doesn't work, then something is going on. I think I need it more than I did not understand.
At not
Oh,
HR says LLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLLL.
so speak is working. So that's not the problem. Let's see. I think I have a temp code and I'll try to execute this. I don't know if I have the same API key or different one. It's, utils. Where is Clippy 10 or okay. Okay, let's try executing this one. CD. Where are we? Alerts. CD temp. What? Okay, open an integrated terminal. Okay. అన్నా వైట్ బాటిల్ చాలా బాగుంది ఎక్కడ కొన్నావు ఇది ఇక్కడ వాల్మార్ట్లో దొరుకుతుంది బ్రో బై ద వే యూ సీమ్ న్యూ టు ద ఛానల్ ఎఫ్ఆర్ ఇట్స్ జిమి M6 ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు కాల్ యూ M6 it's easier to pronounce M6 it is 1 gallon that means 3.5 liters yeah 3.78 liters and it cost me around $2 I guess with water so if you want to buy an empty bottle that's definitely $1 okay I'll try running this. We'll see if it fails, then something is going on. Very expensive. Bro, it's super cheap, man, here. I mean, that lasts exactly 1.5 day. 99 cents. I'll spare you that extra money. If you want to buy, let me know. Go run main.go. Let's see. Hey, this is working. So I thought, yeah, GIF is working. I don't know why that the other one is not working. Okay, let's go into my Raspberry Pi and see what's the issue there. So, how about if anyone guess? I started room scrolling YouTube and your message got redirected, but I can see it here. From 2 to 3 weeks, but let's be honest, I did not stream for almost 2 months now. Probably you're watching my older videos, then that's fine. The reason I'm speaking in English is I have a LLM model running in the background. So it only understands English. That's why I try to speak as much as English as possible. But I do have another Telugu specific channel, which I will stream from Monday to Friday, and on weekends I'll be streaming from this channel. That's what I'm thinking to do. Anyways, let's see. I'm going to stop the server and run it manually to see the logs. Change that AI thumbnail. Uh, Bro, AI is doing a good job in creating thumbnails, man. If I edit it, it's going to take a lot of time. Multilingual, there are, but I don't want to process my video to be transformed from one transcribed by one LLM and then understood by another LLM. It made you look ugly. That's fine. I mean, as long as people put an eye on it, that's fine. Last time when choosing the data structures, long time ago. But still, welcome to the stream, bro. Welcome to the stream. I forgot. Do I have a welcome command? I do not have, right? I have thank you. I have, maybe I need to put in more. But anyways, as you are watching my videos from a long back and genuinely had an interest to check out, thank you so much for that. Respect. Let's try to integrate more fun things in my channel. But let's first fix this Clippy. Tenor APIs were working fine, man. I don't know why they deprecated it. What I was doing, okay. Stream assistant ls alerts. Okay, sudo systemctl. Did I spell it right? Systemctl. Okay. Stop alerts dot service. Okay, the server is down. So let's not do anything fancy until I let you guys know. Okay, now you can continue sending the messages. That like thing is just my indication that it's working. So sorry for asking, but what's the channel mail? Don't feel sorry, man. It's a genuine question. It first, back in 2021, started as a gaming specific. Then I moved it to like coding, because before that was like before AI, 2023, 2024, where AI was not that much good as it is now. I was doing hand coding. I built all this Relangi Mama, many other different projects. Then AI came in, and I'm not really, typing my own code anymore. So now it's mostly changed to like dev plus some yapping plus some fun plus some a mix of all. 104 points. I'm going to give you 200. Don't worry. But I want any one of you to try the GIF command to see if I see any error here. What is Railang Imama? That's a very long story. I'm going to tell you. Sure. So 2020. Okay. Hey, I see the GIF. I definitely see the GIF. So if this section is working, then why not the other one? So I got the GIF. That means at this point, I don't really know what's happening. Process GIF message. Let's close this. So this is the clean text. Search term, then make URL friendly, print process the GIF message. Okay. Oh, it's not doing any. Is it not doing the asynchronous shit? So basically, so I'm going to tell you what is Relangi Mama. Back in 2022, I was doing Telugu streams specifically. So anyone who joins my stream, even though I was speaking English, I want them to know that I am a native Telugu person. And back in PUBG days, while I was streaming like PUBG Mobile, that was like good old days. just I asked the chat like what should I name my bot, and during that time Relangi Mama memes were like really famous, so I just set it as Relangi Mama. I still keep it as it is because it's a good memory for me. So I got the URL here, and then it definitely yes, received path stream. This is like go like routine. So ఆకతే అడగాడు ఏ నమస్తే ఎవరు సార్ మిమ్మల్ని జీటీ అడగాడు ఆకతే ఆటగాడు వెల్కమ్ టు ద స్ట్రీమ్ బ్రో చాలా రోజులు నా తెలుగు ఛానల్ స్ట్రీమ్ ఇదే ఆ ఛానల్ నేను కొత్తది ఏం పెట్టలేదు ఇదే ఛానల్ని లైక్ సైలెంట్గా ఇంగ్లీష్కి మూవ్ చేసిన కొత్తగా తెలుగు ఒకటి స్టార్ట్ చేసిన బ్లేజింగ్ బెయిన్ తెలుగు అని ప్రజెంట్ దాంట్లో షార్ట్స్ తప్పితే ఏం లేవు సూన్ చేద్దాం it is working bro. I mean according to the code I can see the URL, so no issues there. But for some reason maybe I don't know why this URL is not being shown into the browser. So there is one way to know it. uh 1 second. Okay, I've just switched my layouts to go to my overlay section. Lbot bro, it's not the bot problem bro. Yeah, now obviously it's a bot problem. I thought Clippy was not working. I don't know what's wrong. Let me see. TTP 10.0.0.236. I don't know the URL. I forgot. Chatgif /chatgif.html. I hope this is the one. No. Did I spell it wrong? Yes. Chatgif. Okay. Okay. Let's see what happens here. WebSocket message is open. Can someone trigger an overlay, please? Oh, sorry. A GIF message, please. I'm going to give you a points back, not HR. Don't worry. It's working here. Then what's the problem there? Okay, try it one more time. Try it one more time. Is it OBS? Oh, I think OBS browser is acting a bit different maybe, but the chat URL which you see up here, that's working fine. That's also like a browser instance. I'm sure it might, see it's working here, but it's not working in the OBS. Never face this problem, bro. For this I'm in my streaming PC now. So how about I keep this in a smaller window, so somewhere like here, so that we know this section is working. I want you guys to spam GIFs, or else I'll just give you more points. See, I don't know the URL for this. I forgot the URL. Let me see. Routes, APIs, update user. No, stream user. Shit. Where are my endpoints? I should have all the endpoints somewhere written. I mean, this is like 1 year ago. I don't really know which why lately. No. Where is the process message queue? This is main function. Okay, live chat, stream reset. No, speak URL. Take stats. No, take messages, stats board. Insta all users. Probably. I think that's all users. No, that's just JSON. This is again WebSocket. Hey, I had an endpoint. API కి ఎందుకు వాడుతున్నాం? I mean main use ఏంటి? So API is a way you communicate with one application with the other application, and keys is basically giving you access to that specific section. So they give you access to the API, but they also limit your access using keys, and that keys will be expired based on tokens. So API, keys, and tokens. So API is like a road, a big road. Let's imagine like 6 lane roads, and keys is basically which lane you're going to or allowed to. That's keys. And token is basically how long you can like travel in that lane. This is the simplest example I can give. Might not be the exactly accurate, but that's the idea of API, keys, and tokens. That's why tokens expire. I'm going to give you points, but I forgot the URL of how I had a URL, bro, to change points, but I've totally forgot how to do that. Somewhere in the routes, definitely inside routes stream. This is routes. This is API. URLs is handle. No, there was one route. Okay, let's first see. Let's first debug this clippy thing. Ask Copilot. Even I don't know. I know even I don't know my own code. Do you guys also have this problem where you write your own code, but after a given time you forget? Okay, for some time you might not be seeing me. I don't know if you can hear me as well, but I'm going to my OBS now. 1 second. Hey Gandhamma, namaste, namaste. హాయ్ హాయ్. ఆ జిప్ కమాండ్నే ఏదో బ్రేక్ అయింది, అదే చూస్తున్నా ఎందుకు పని చేయట్లేదో తెలీదు. ఈవెన్ ఇందులో కూడా నాకు రాలేదు హాయ్ అని. సంథింగ్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ ఆన్, అదే కరెక్ట్గా తెలియదు ఏమవుతుందో, అదే డీబగ్ చేస్తాం. కెన్ ఎనీ వన్ కైండ్ హార్టెడ్ try the GIF? I'll try it in my own screen. 1 second. You know what? The easiest way is to give you guys points. So let me first see what was the URL for my points. I'll go line by line now. So one is this one, stream URL. What is this? No, this is not the one. Chat URL, live chat, speak, API routes. And we have URLs and update user, manual update user. So that means it's there. Then what is the home page? Homepage is waiting for users. I'm going to just do an eyeball and say users. No. Or user? No. Hey Sujit Facts, welcome. I'm doing great, bro. Welcome to the stream. I'm doing awesome, doing good. Just trying to remember where is that. Let's start from first. All right. I mean, if I have such page, then obviously that means I need to also have. Did something go wrong here? I would just get the URL and just paste it here. That's it. I'm not doing anything fancy. That should work fine. Okay, forget about it. Stream database? No. Hey, congratulations, bro. Show my face. Congratulations. Good, you got a job. Respect. Pum, 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 pum. Back to gaming. Hey, Harish or Manish, I think you were there when I wrote this code. Do you remember the URL which I have it? Oh, you're in search of job? No problem. Respect still for the hustle, but you'll eventually get there. No worries. Bangalore has a lot of offers. Make sure you negotiate properly so that you don't get paid less and you don't really save any money for your living expenses, because that place is, this is post, this is put, so obviously these are not the ones, so maybe somewhere here. No, maybe here. Handle post URL, no. Statics, the only option now left is in this go function. Okay, in the main file we have API routes, which only has 3 sadly, and then refresh, mongo, speak, stream, reset, live chat. How can I remember your own? Hey, thanks for 4 likes, man. GTA 6. Yeah, that's really awesome, bro. I mean, it still shows that people are still passionate, because I mean, it's GTA. It's the biggest franchise. Even even I'm fine with the price as well. There are like bullshit AAA titles which cost like 120, $100, but GTA 6 priced very reasonably. If you buy it once, you will play it for years. Thanks for 5 likes. Very good, very good. Did I take Jeff's stats board? No, this is not the one. Post Insta. All users. Could this be? No. I had a URL, bro. I still remember it. I had a URL to update. Yes, that's true. I mean, the respect for GTA. But yeah, I need to wait until it comes to PC, and then I will see if I get it for cheap. Then I'll try to buy it. I mean, I have a 3080. I don't have 40 series or 50 series GPU. I don't want to play in 60 FPS. At least 90 to 100 is my sweet spot. But we'll see. Definitely worth the wait. Let that console people like play first and fix all the bugs. I'm planning to buy GTA 6. Why are you still planning, Harish? Anyways, welcome to the stream. Harish, do you remember I had a URL to update the user database? Let's say I want to update points for one of the guys. So I had a web page for that. I mean, we can clearly see the APIs here. Update user. Cats, chat messages, custom GIF. What is the difference between custom GIF and GIF? PS5 Pro. That Captain America respect animation looks so cool. The old one just aura for me. Oh, yeah, the other. I think I can still bring them back, bro. No issues. You can clearly see I have the API. You update user. This API is there. Let's see who is using this. Main alerts, user dot go, merge user, handle user updates, database, all users. Could it be this one? Front end. Oh yeah, I have to turn on the front end server. Now I remember. Okay. Okay. So somewhere here, Stream Assistant, there should be front end. Yes. See, I found it. I totally forgot about this, man. Cool. Okay. Oof. Hey, how long was it? How long ago was it? Yeah, TX. It's 10 months ago. How can I forget things within just 10 months? Not even a year. I have to stream constantly so that I don't forget these things. NPM start. NPM start is not the one. NPX wheat. Which HTTP server are you using? I'm using Go. I don't remember the package. It's not Mux. It's not Mux. Now we should be seeing it. All right. Who wants points? Who wants points? So one was Harish. Yeah, no, sorry, Manish or Harish. Who was the one? It's Manish. Is this you, bro? Yes. Edit points. Hey, you have 752. Why do you need more points, bro? Uh, I think not HR also the one who lost some points. So let's update him. Not HR. He has 175 points. You guys have decent points, bro. But okay, I'm going to give you like 200. Save. Come on. Did I save it? Did I messed up again? Oh, API. I don't remember this one. I don't remember the API password. Any idea what was it? Why did I set a password when it's absolutely not needed? Uh, It's starting. I thought your PH. PH means PH chemistry. I am not that good at chemistry. I'm going to give Manish, Harish, not HR, even FR M6 also some points, but I need to remember the API. I named it as API token, but it was just a password. But let me just go back to code and see what did I have it. API basic middleware. It's verified token. So that's the so that means I have to make a global search and find it. Oh, I deleted the env file. I deleted the env file, bro. I That was the one which had the password. Now I don't know the password. But my server should have the env file, right? My server should have the env file. Let's try getting it back from here. But why am I doing all this? But why am I doing all this? The main problem was GIF. But still, okay. Let's try doing that. SSH at the rate 10.0.0.1236. Okay. Starting, I thought you were P. Oh yeah, okay. Oh, Panmant. Yeah, తెలుసు ఇప్పటికీ చూస్తా వీడియోలు. పిహెచ్ ఇస్ అనదర్. యా ఐ అగ్రీ. సడన్గా స్ట్రైక్ అవ్వలేదు. అంటే మనదంతా దీంట్లో ఉన్నాం. పిహెచ్ అంటే సబ్ ప్రాబ్లం. పర్మిషన్ డినైడ్. ఓకే. ఐ ఎంటర్ ద రాంగ్. పన్మంత్ తెలుసు. మజా ఉంటుండే. ఫుల్ టైం పాస్. ఇంకా ఈ మధ్య మళ్ళీ బ్యాక్ టు నార్మల్ అయినట్టున్నాడు కదా. మళ్ళీ తెలిసిన కంటెంటే చేస్తున్నట్టున్నాడు. మధ్యలో ఏదేదో పోస్ట్ చేసిన అంత నాకంత ఎక్కలేదు. టీమ్ అసిస్టెంట్ ఎల్ఎస్. I should definitely have the env file. It's not there. I mean, it's okay. I can create another env file, right? Sudo what all others do I have? Max workers, verify token, Mongo URL. Can we get from the system environments? But I have it. I had it from .env file, bro. The thing is, I switched my hard drives like a month back. So you guys can see my coding is now inside game. So previously I had one more hard drive here. That was the one which had the env file. Before that, I formatted it. I moved that hard drive away to a different PC, basically for my streaming PC. Now I cloned everything again. Basically, that's obviously I do not have the env file synced in. Let's just confirm, because I know that I would not maintain such things. So maybe I have hidden it somewhere. Patterns. But why would I use an env file if I'm the only one who is doing all the program anyways? Now I'm okay. I'll get back to this again when. Okay, wait a minute. If these are working, Mongo URL definitely worked. So that means I don't have an env file here. Then how did my Mongo work? Let's see. If I get my Mongo URL, that means it's Okay. Uh, Connected to Mongo. Connected to Mongo. That means from somewhere it was able to get the Mongo URL. So at least in my server, will eskips file starts with dot. What do you mean? Like you're talking about git ignore? 700 points. So let's try in utils. Maybe I have it in utils. No, I do not have it. Oh yeah. That's ls la. I have it, bro. Harish, respect. Now, how to copy this file? Let me just open it in my like to a side and see nano dot env. I totally forgot. Okay, now I have all the tokens and things, so I know the password now. It's the stupid password, but it's okay. Thank you so much, bro. I mean, sometimes people, I can't really remember everything. Okay, what was the uh not HR edit points? Let's give 200. Let's press save. Hope this works. Successful. Okay, Manish, edit points. Hey, you already have enough, bro. Why do you need more? Let's give some points to Harish because acknowledgements. I don't know. I had an idea about this acknowledgements where I acknowledge someone from this website and eventually that should be shown in the stream as well as my Blazing Bane web page. I don't know how many points you have, Harish. You have 700. You just reached 700, but I'm going to give you. But instead of points, I want to acknowledge you guys. That's the reason I built this acknowledge, but I don't remember. Uh, Saved me by finding by telling me or reminding me ls dot la. I don't know what happens here. Oh, no API token. Okay, sorry. Why did I have API token here? Oh, probably when uh, saved me by reminding me ls.la acknowledge. User has been acknowledged. Now what happens after that? That's the Did I build that section? I don't know. Whom did I acknowledge? Is it Harish? Or I always are you guys brothers? Harish. Okay, I'm not showing acknowledgement. Probably your acknowledge is saved in the database. Probably. But of course, I'm going to give Manish some points. Where is Manish? Edit point. Let's make him 900. Let's also give some points to our new guy M6. Poor guy only has 11, so 100. So now let's see how many guys you have. This is the website you guys can visit, like on the fly. So let's go with M6. M6 has 100 points. Okay, that's nice. And let's see who is next. Harish. Harish has 704. Did I not raise your points? Oh, yeah, I did acknowledge Harish, but I did not. I am worth 3,000 points, I guess, even you're not confident. Well, I really want to bring that acknowledgements, bro, somewhere here so that when you guys do something nice, when I acknowledge you guys, like you can like see that in the web page. Isn't it cool? నేను అదే అడుగుదాం అనుకున్నా అసలు ఇది ఏ వెబ్సైట్ అని. Yeah. So this is Blazing Bane website, bro. This is my own like personal website written in Hugo and Alpine JS. It has some information. pretty much outdated. But I do have some blogs. This is the blog about my first car, my streaming setup, the Android apps I use. These are some like US Visa shit and Golang, Python. I stopped doing like programming stuff because this was written before AI. All these were written before AI, but after AI, everyone is using like ChatGPT, and so you don't really need to find like 10 lesser known Go packages. No need. But these are all like personal experience. So I wrote this because back when I was doing a lot of Golang, people asked in the chat like, "What are the packages you are using?" So I just thought to make a post, and 33 people read it. Not that read it, like read it. And this is the blog post I wrote for my like how did I purchase my first car, like what was my thoughts. This is a lot more reading to go. This is not like a storytelling writing. It's I wrote it with my own like typing. And then YouTube section, this is where all my users from the last 1 to 2 years will be recorded here. So let's say Manish, so he first joined on June 7th, 2025. I'm sure he might have joined before that, but my database once got deleted. That's a different story. And then this is the last scene. I did not record the first comment back in the day, but then I like added it here. So you can also see how many commands he did execute in his whole live stream journey. This is the same history. We'll be sharing it with between like my both the channels. We do not have like a separate channel database. What else? Everything is being done and tracked by me or my streaming assistant written in Golang, TypeScript, no Python for now. What else? Yeah, that's the site. I tend to forget some things. So these are the chat commands. These are all the commands we have right now. Some of them cost money, some of them are free. I don't know. I don't remember that much, as you guys know now. Let's see your M6. So this is your first comment. Anna, a white bottle chala bagundi ekkada konnavu. So that is the reason. Make sure you put good comments as your first comments. And this is the last scene. This is the first scene because obviously same days. You send 14 comments and you have 1 or 2 points. That's the web page. This is the first stream and this is the last stream, or the last stream you have visited. I really wanted to build the acknowledgement section, so that needs to be done where I give acknowledgements for you guys, and you can see it in the site so that it's a better integration. What Harish and Manish, do you guys think the same? M6, just like how I acknowledged Harish now, whatever he did for me was like time saving, life saving. So I want a section somewhere to be shown here. That's why I had that acknowledgements, but I did not, you know, put it in the front end. Maybe the idea was to show it in the what do you call it? What do you call it? In the OBS. So the idea was, it is good. Hey, my idea is very good, bro. I'm going to tell you the full idea is. So this is the OBS screen. Let's say this is where my face is shown, and this is where the chat messages are shown, right? Okay. I cannot control YouTube chat. I mean, I cannot show in your chat window something like that, but I can control this section. So what I thought was, I want to give you badges based on the acknowledgements you have. So if Harish has like 5 acknowledgements, then he should have something like this, like a small like acknowledgement badges. This is the entire ecosystem we have based on the acknowledgements, but I did not like completely build it yet. So this will show the number of acknowledgements you guys have and the overall detail of what the acknowledgements is. You can visit the site and like read it from here. Isn't that cool? And I'm sure you guys can visit this site by just typing exclamation points. In the same way, I'll also create exclamation like profile, so it will share you your profile link. Yeah, that was the general idea, but obviously when you're like watching the stream, like your most intention would be like to have fun, right? Not to, I mean, yeah, before the idea was like that because we were doing like hand coding without using much of AI, so it was helpful. It makes sense that you guys would help and like do something, but now that threshold has been decreased. uh, so these acknowledgements is not just helping, it's just something, I don't know, something. And what else? So that's the badges I want to show in my own, like the browser window right here, the chat window. We can show acknowledgement badge, we can show like old age badge, emojis, like old emoji because you're like old viewer. And for new viewers, we can show, you know like a baby icon. I My creativity is increased, bro. This is like acknowledgement, and we, let's say Manish is old, he would be shown as like the old age, like an old man emoji with a stick. I did not draw it properly, but I guess you understand the idea. So cool, right? This is the limit of your, what do you call it, creativity. Because I own all the data, I store all the data in my database, I am free to do whatever I want. But that's going to take a lot of time. Should we do that now, or like a person attended like past 5 streams? I don't think I can count streams. That's going to take a lot of data. That I don't think I can count like 5 streams. I can compare dates on like imagine like when did you join the first stream, and then when was your like the last stream, and I can just anticipate your age by the days. If I have to count like 5 streams, then that means I need to store all the like the stream IDs in each user array, or in a different table, like, okay, this is the stream URL, like the stream URL, and let's say like XYZ, and who watched all the streams. That means I need to store all the user IDs. This is one way. Or I have to have like a streams in your user profile, and inject all the stream IDs in such way. You buying GTA 6? Not really. I love. Welcome to the stream, bro. I mean, I'm not laughing because we love girls. We all do. Like, if he commented in a stream, it will count as he attended the stream. Yes, but the array size it will be. So the thing is, you need to understand. I'm not using a database server. I'm using SQL. Hey, why am I? I'm using SQLite. What's happening? I'm doing SQLite. So I don't want it to grow horizontally. I don't want it to grow anyway. Why are you laughing, man? So you reminded me like Jagdeep Singh and all those, where we were like talking about being desperate about like girlfriend and stuff. And one of the time Jagdeep commented like, "I love girls." I'm straight, yeah. So I agree. I agree. We all do, but I didn't think someone would name their YouTube profile as "I love girls." So yeah. So the database constraint is SQLite, and all the things which happen right now in the stream is saved in one file. What's happening? In one file, so that database file will be synced to the cloud every day. So Harish, I know you are aware of this. So with that big of a size, it's changing because of WASD. So because of that, I don't think I can grow the data in such a way. So that's not going to be optimal for a long run. And I want my applications to work for a long time, even with minimal intervention. But yeah, I can store acknowledgements because it's going to be fine. So, and I can also show memberships. Of course, I have disabled it, but imagine the idea also was like, okay, if you have membership icon in your YouTube profile for my channel, I can also show that here. Your bot deleted my message. I don't do any deletes, bro. If it's probably YouTube. Oh, you're talking about that emoji which was deleted because I had to set a limit to not to add. I know your website architecture. I mean, you're my old viewer, obviously. So yes, I don't think I can save all the stream IDs into like an array, but we will see. What is the other? What is the other way? What could be the other way? It's okay. I'll forget about it. Okay, let's fix the GIF thing. What are you building? I did build all this stream setup. Hey, thanks for the like. Create another table for watched stream IDs. And also, your DB design sign is not following the first normalization form, by the way. Dude, I just break the first law. I am storing JSON inside SQL. That too in SQLite, not even Postgres. So I know I'm not doing the most, what do you call it, industry standards, which I don't do that. You see the Blazing Ben side, it is written in Hugo and uses Alpine JS. Everyone would be using Next.js and some kind of a shit. I also remember your RMI. I thought no one would remember it, bro. But yeah, I was so fast like RF. But yeah, I had deleted the database once. But I was glad that I had a cloud backup, bro. Yeah, I love. Say, I have to say your name. I love. Is my microphone too loud? I'm just seeing it. It's touching the red sections. I'll just decrease it a little bit. Okay. Yeah. The happy thing is when you like, that's what happens. It's just so that when people like, it's give like a win-win for both of us. I do have other things as well. Uh, there is one for celebrate. Hey, what was the command for celebrate? Yeah, why are you shy, bro? Just say that. Imagine there are other people living in the house and I yell at, hey, I love girls. Yeah, cloud saved your ass. Yes, that was a fun time, man. That was one I still remember, even at work. Whenever I'm running RMRF, I just remember that funny moment and laugh about it. Anyways, so let's try to fix this GIF thing now. Where is it? I'm removing all these. Let's fix the GIF thing first. I really want that to work. I don't know why that's not working. Hey, this is chat messages. Chat GIF. Okay. How about I know we all do. Try to run a GIF command, please. I wanted to see why this is working here but not in the OBS. Why is that the problem? Can anyone trigger a GIF command, please? I'm begging you. I'll give you points, okay? I'll give back your points. That's not the GIF command, bro. Kawaii? That's not how you. Ah, yes. Hey, now it's working. Now it's working. Now it's working. Even the OBS thing, I don't know what fixed it. I did not even restart my server. So basically, nothing changed, right? Yeah, nothing's changed. Okay, I'll just stop the server and see things work. GIF kawaii, but that didn't sounded kawaii. Oh, wait a minute. Can you try GIF one more time? Hey, please. Okay, it works. Kawaii is good. Yeah, I know that. I know that. So what fixed it? Why is it working now? But why didn't it work before? I don't know if the is it Tenor? No, Tenor has deprecated it. I'm using Clippy. Harish. I love it when people use GIFs. It's a good interaction. But again, it costs 2 points, so careful. I mean, you guys have like 700, so it's fine. Use your points. Okay, if the GIF thing is fixed, I want to try one more thing. I want like stop this server and run as it like a Linux based And what's with this one? Oh, it's still doing the AI thing. What was the VS Code? I did not see it. What was it? What did it? I don't care for using. Oh, really? Oh, I don't care. Oh, you don't care about the points for using this. I felt sad that you don't want to use GIFs. I felt sad for a bit because the setting this all thing does take time. Anyways, don't send any messages. Okay, NeoVim, fine. I want to fix. Stop. I want to stop the server and then turn it back on so that I can actually test it with the server refreshing it, and then I have to refresh my OBS. Don't send any messages. I hope you guys read it until this is done. That's what I was talking about. Don't send any messages yet. Stupid, no connections. Refresh Mongo. No. What was the command for GIF refresh? Okay, the commands things got is it not GIF API? No, it's not not. If I dislike and like again, will it work again? No. It used to work before. There was a separate animation for dislike and then a separate animation for like. But obviously, people were like disliking and liking again. So YouTube felt that my stream is not that much. If more dislikes come in, YouTube thinks like something is wrong with the stream. So that's why it was dropping my. At least that's what I expected. That was that's what I thought it's happening. Maybe that's why I'm not getting new viewers. If Harish or Manish remembers it right, previously I used to get like 25 to 30 people, not 30, but 25 people watching. But as people like starting to dislike it just to see my animation, it was, I don't know, for some reason I'm not getting new people watching the stream, so that's why I removed it. I removed it. Nothing came for dislike. Yes, I removed it. And obviously to decrease the spam, you dislike and like it back, nothing's going to happen because there is like a milestone. So if you, let's say a like animation came for like 7 likes, yeah, very quickly, yes. But the dislike was fun. Like there is a crying animation. I hope that GIF command works. Yeah, it runs in my Raspberry Pi 02. Oh, it did not work again. It did not work. What is the difference? Why did it work? But why is it not working now? Okay, this GIF worked. Oh, can you show me? I want to see the Raspberry Pi. It's in a different room, but I can show you an image. 1 second. But I need to pull that image again. I actually thought to set it, like show it in my page here. Streaming setup. This is the exact setup. I don't have that big monitor on the top. I moved it to my right. I only have three, and I'm not using that TV anymore because I just felt like too many displays around me. The same chair, the same trash bin, the same yellow box, the same keyboard, the same mouse, the same wires, the same like cover for like softening my that's a cute guy. And yeah, most sorry I could not find the GIF for that. Oh, nice. Yeah. The Raspberry Pi, I have an image, bro. I thought to like show it somewhere here. I will get that 1 second. Not VPN, stupid. How much you spend totally on this setup? This complete setup is not like a one-time thing. I bought it in INR. The camera is I got it in 2021. The keyboard, these are all like auction stuff. The mouse pad, I'm using the same mouse pad from 2019. So I don't really know the PCs. The first PC I bought in India, there was like only one PC, 1070 i7 8700K. That cost me 1,10,000. These three monitors. One is my friend's monitor, the one which I bought. The other one is my office monitor. So I don't know how to count that. The gaming PC which I bought in 2022 after coming to US. Uh, that cost me, the GPU was 250. The case, everything was like 600 to 800, let's say. So if you compare like $80 back in that day, it's like 55 or 56 per like $1 in INR. It's complicated. I don't know. Without headphones, it's so much comfortable, bro. I'm going to remove it for some time. I think GIFs API loves Windows. Yeah, something happened. I thought the GIFs were not working again, but then I felt the other GIF showed up. So it's something. Uh, just type Windows. Just type Windows. Hey, what was I trying to do? Yeah, one second, one second, one second, one second. I was trying to show you my Raspberry Pi. My first gaming PC is now converted to like streaming and server PC. I don't remember when did I take an image of the Raspberry Pi. I'm sure it should be somewhere here. I'm trying to look for it. Did it work? Did it work? I was looking this side. Did it work? I don't think it worked. Oh, why does it love Windows so much? I took a photo a long back ago, bro. I don't fully remember. Yeah, looks like there are certain words it does not want to show. Maybe I'm scrolling from 2024. Between that, I took a photo of my Raspberry Pi. I can still go take a picture, but there is a good picture already existing. That's why I'm trying to find it. It shows Windows. It shows Windows throwing errors. Maybe there is some setting I have to make inside Clippy to like not have any kind of like filters or something like that. I'm scrolling. I definitely need the Raspberry Pi image so that I can put it in my blog post as well. Did it show something? Hey, Sarat Kumar, you look new to the stream. Welcome to the stream, bro. Why is no one here? I don't know. Maybe they don't like watching my streams. I'm trying to find. I'm trying to find my photo. Oh, sorry, a Raspberry Pi photo. I just could not find it somewhere. I definitely took a photo in 2025, or maybe I did not. I don't fully remember. I had a photo of it, bro. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I'm way past that section. I don't think I will find it. No, I can still find it. Any games or I like your streams. Oh, thank you so much. Hey, someone liked my stream. Thank you. Thank you. Any games or gameplay? I do play Battlefield, Rainbow Six Siege, PUBG, City Skylines, and a bunch of other things. I have a gaming phone where I play some other games. Uh, you can just show it on the Google. But that pic was awesome, man. It has a nice case and all, so that's why I'm trying to find it. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I'm exploring. I'm scrolling in from my like imic, like alternate for Google Photos. I took a photo. I'm in April 2025, somewhere around this time. I started streaming again, and I took a photo of it. Maybe Sarath Kumar, you're leaving. Just if you, I am currently doing like code development and stuff. These are like my terminals. It's okay. What game do you play? Any games? I do play games. What kind of games do you play? Or maybe he's. Oh, I put the title as GTA 6, so that's why he came. I still can't find it. I still can't find it. I think I'm close. I think I'm close. Definitely around this time, I am seeing my thumbnail, so that means I started doing streams again. No, I can't find it. I play Crash while I broke a case of my phone playing Clash Royale. It's a very rage baiting game, but I still love it. It's a good game while you're like waiting for someone at some place and you want to. Yeah, I used to play Clash of Clans as well. I think my town hall was like 10 or 11, 9. You also do coding in lead code. We are opposite. I don't do much lead code. So that's one difference. Oh yeah, I found it. I found my Raspberry Pis. Let's download. Okay, remember the date, June 29th, 2025. That's when I took a photo of it. Very cool. I'm going to close this browser session. Extracting those images. So these are the photos. Yep, this is my Raspberry Pi. That's my server runs. What do you call it? My stream assistant, my Relangi Mama, the one for my like the backend for my Blazing Bane website. Everything runs in this small machine. Even it could handle a lot of messages because the language I choose for it is Golang instead of Python or something like that. JavaScript. No. Okay, cool stuff. So the GIFs are working. I don't know how what fixed it, but that definitely worked. Probably it's just the WebSocket got disconnected and it was not receiving it. I might need to keep that in mind. For that, I'm closing my Raspberry Pi and also closing this one. I don't know what I was doing there. Do I need this front end server? And are you in any company? Yeah, I work a full time job for an insurance company as a full stack developer or software engineer. I deal with mostly Angular, Python, AWS, MongoDB, and a little bit of Oracle DB. Do you use Cloudflare tunnels? Yes, I use Cloudflare tunnels. Yes, I think I already revealed it, bro. When I join a company, do they train? What do you mean? I mean, if you're a damn like full time fresher, I don't. What are you expecting in terms of like training or directly give me work? Well, they will start with like small works. If they are a good company, if they're like shitholes, then they'll just, if they want you to like leave the company, they would just throw a bunch of other stuff at you, at your face. So companies are humans, Sarat Kumar. If your teammate is good, like good people, they understand that you're new. It doesn't matter if you're experienced or not, they understand that you're new. So they give you like a defects or small tickets where you can just explore or enter into the project. And training wise, there won't be any, there would be supervision, but there obviously would not be any like a training session or something like that. They expect you is, okay, take a look. If you don't understand anything, if you have a question, feel free to reach out. That's how it should be. Do not expect like a people in your Zoom call or standing next to you training how to do. That's not going to happen. We got like AI and all of the other stuff. They expect you to like figure out something, and if you reach a dead end or if you could not do it, you can reach out to the humans in your team. This is like 30% of the workforce which I deal with. There are another kind of a workforce where whenever you join a team, they feel something bad, something negative, as if they feel afraid that they're firing him and then hiring you. In that case, they will not help you. They would just make sure that to tell manager that, hey, the new guy doesn't know this, doesn't know that, why did you hire him, so that if they kick you out, at least they can keep their job. I understand this scenario as well, because people are afraid of losing their jobs. Then comes the third one, where imagine that the person came to the team, and there is another person in the team wants to refer someone he knows to join the team, and he would give you like the toughest tickets or toughest tasks to work, so that, and he put a lot of pressure on you. They will try to basically put a lot of hassle and pressure, so that you leave on your own, so that they can bring their own people in. So most of the time the first part will be true, or the second. The third is like extremely rare case, unless you are really unlucky, you will get into the team. And there is a fourth one where everyone is busy, like everyone has their own work, everyone has their deadlines, no one really wants to talk to you. Then that could also happen, and that only happens in like bigger companies like Amazon and stuff like those, where people just wants to show off that they are working all the time. So that cases, then you are absolutely fucked. So just make sure like AI is your friend. If you have any problem, just ask them. Or there would be one person in a team, in the any team there would be that one person who is willing to help, but don't take much time from him. Just ask the question, read the response, and try to figure out on your own. Anyways, enough for the pep talk. What am I doing? Yeah. So I would like to initiate the acknowledgement section now. That's the first thing I would like to do. There is alert. No, let's coding. Oh, where is my other page? It is good. Oh, what? Okay, vibe coding is bad when you. It's about the threshold, bro. Imagine like the 70 to 80% of your brain, and you're using 30% of AI to just write the code, and you tell it how to do. That's absolutely fine. There is 50-50 where you don't know how to code, but you know system design. You know how an application should work. You know how to set up all these things. You know what kind of principles to use while you're building a component or etc. Even that is fine. What I don't, or what I feel bad, or it's going to be bad, is two things. If the whole team is doing vibe coding in a big company, that's never going to happen. So let's forget about that scenario, and let's talk about like solo developers, or like two people, three people working for a project. If they are fully vibe coding, that's definitely going to break, because AI is designed in such a way that it would fix one thing. It would not worry about the other things, and eventually one feature would break the other feature and stuff like that. Those things still happen when humans develop projects. Those are called as bugs. But you write your own code, so you know how to fix it. But in the fully vibe coding projects, no one really know what code they wrote, so they cannot even look at my example. I was struggling to find, did I write it was an year ago, so totally forgot how my application one works. But as I wrote my own code, something strikes. Okay, okay, this is the architecture because I wrote that code. I'm not talking about AI writing the code, I wrote it. So there is still that advantages of doing that. If you don't write your own code, at least you need to write it in your way so that at least you can understand. But again, this is a very complicated topic because eventually vibe coding is definitely going to be a thing. So let's not fight it and just live with it. I was expecting a standing ovation, but you guys are like very boring today. Okay, let's. Looks like I might need to clone my Blazing Ben project. The Anyway, welcome to the stream, Sarath Kumar. Sarath Sarta Kumar. Oh, Sarthak Kumar. I'm so sorry, bro. I read your name as Sarath. Why were you not correcting me? It's Sarthak Kumar. I'm so sorry. Hey, Wolfie, welcome to the stream. Wolfie, how are you? Didn't you have a profile picture, or was it always like W? Finally, spelling corrected. When you're streaming, you try to read the entire message as quick as possible. So I'm not reading that big of a name, so I just thought it's Sarath because Sarth. Sarath. How can you see a stand? Huh? Oh, standing away. I mean, I was expecting like some comments like, yeah, something, some indication that you guys are listening, but you are like, not doing anything. Obviously, I cannot see while you're standing. That's a good point. Okay, I was thinking to do acknowledgement. Is that the thing should I do now? Because that obviously needs some user feedback. So I felt it's going to be a good thing to do it while you guys are here. We still have an hour more. What's the time in India? It's just 10:30. I'm sure you guys can stay for an hour at least. We can talk about anything, bro. While I'm coding, we can talk about ANY, anything. You know, I have disabled my monetization. I hope I did, so that we can talk about anything instead of getting copyrights and bullshit like that. Placements come. Yeah, all the best, bro. All the best for your things. Did I have monetization turned on for this? Yeah, turn it off. E-shave. Cool. Okay. Uh, what was the thing I was? Yes, acknowledgements. Let's design the idea first. But let's confirm, do I actually have the acknowledgements? My two or your two? I definitely would love you to have it in the stream, bro, because you are a long time viewer. You know what's happening. So blazingman.com, we go here, we go, let's say Harish. I mean, I remember him having the acknowledgement. So somewhere here, I need to show all the acknowledgements. ఫీల్ అవ్వదు కదా బ్రో. మనము అంతే. తెలుగులో అయితే స్ట్రీమ్ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నా భయ్య. ఏంటంటే లైక్ మండే టు ఫ్రైడే నా తెలుగు మై టు ఓకే, చాలా టైం ఉంది అయితే. మన ఏమంటారు తెలుగు స్ట్రీమ్స్లో మండే టు ఫ్రైడే ఎట్లాగో మనలో ఎవరు జాయిన్ అవ్వరు ఇంగ్లీష్ స్ట్రీమ్స్లో, కాబట్టి తెలుగులోనే డే టైం. You are in which company? I don't personally feel comfortable revealing that. So sorry. It's an insurance company, bro. I directly work for them. We are trying to build our own in-house application for claims adjustment, creating claims, emails, phone calls, communications, AI, documents, reserves, payments, litigations, everything. How did you crack the international company? I did not crack it, bro. I am in US, so I don't. I'm not working from India. I'm in US. Maybe that reveals such things. Okay, what we are doing now, acknowledgements. Yeah, somewhere here I'll just show the acknowledgements. Let's fix the UI somewhere else, but let's just confirm whether I have the acknowledgements information. Network. Oh, user ID response. Am I rendering the whole page? Looks like it. Alpine mini.js. No. Assets, CSS. Where is the user? This is the user ID, is UC. Anything which starts with UC? Yeah, this is the one. Acknowledgements are null. Why? మనం కూడా తెలుగేనా నాకు తెలీదు. తెలుగు అయితే నా తెలుగు దానికి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. లైక్ ఫ్రీక్వెంట్గా అసలు టైం పాస్ స్ట్రీమ్స్ ఉంటాయి. నో నాలెడ్జ్ షేరింగ్ కోడింగ్ ఏముండదు, జస్ట్ చిల్. సో సమ్వేర్ ఫ్రమ్ హియర్, why are acknowledgements null? Did I not add it? Or maybe I did not fully set it up. I studied in AP, so I know koncham Telugu. Oh, Sarthak. Yeah, I don't think many people will have that name Sarthak, especially in south regions, probably not. ఆల్రెడీ చేసినాం అదే కదా. ఓ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అని మాట్లాడేది అక్నాలెడ్జ్మెంట్. మనీష్, నీ చాట్ చదవాలంటే పక్క వేరే లెవెల్ ఐక్యూ కావాలి. నీ కంటెక్స్ట్ ఏ దాని గురించి చెప్తున్నావు అర్థం కాదు. సో ఇప్పుడు అక్నాలెడ్జ్మెంట్ది చేసామా లేదా అని అడిగినా దానికి నువ్వు చేసినామంటున్నావా లేదా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ తెలుగు దానికి అంటున్నావా? ఐఎమ్ షూర్ తెలుగు దానికి అంటున్నావేమో అనుకుంటున్నా, బికాస్ అప్పుడప్పుడు నేను డిలే క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తాను నీ దానికి ఇంకా హరీష్ దానికి కొంచెం డిలే క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసి, ఓకే నేను అప్పుడు ఏం మాట్లాడుతున్నానో చూసి నేను కూడా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేశాను బ్రో తెలుగు దానికి. ఓ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ కరెక్టే గెస్ చేస్తాను. Stream assistant, let's open with Jed, updated to 1.82. ఏమైంది ఏంటి అన్ని ఏజెంట్ గిట్ ఇంప్రూవ్డ్, యాడ్ ఫైల్ వ్యూ ఆఫ్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్, ఇంప్రూవ్ స్క్రోలింగ్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్, ఇంప్రూవ్ టో షోన్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ ఇన్ గెట్. ఓకే. నేను ల్యాగ్ బ్రో, ఇట్స్ ఓకే బ్రో, అందరం ల్యాగే. బాయ్ బాయ్ స్టడీ టైం అన్న. మనం ఇట్లా బాయ్కి హాయ్కి నమస్తే ఇవన్నీ కూడా పెట్టాలబ్బా. ఏమన్నా జిప్స్ పెడదామా? Hey Harish, welcome to the stream. Welcome back. Yeah, we are building the acknowledgements, bro. That's the main part. Let's do that in an hour and see. I still remember having an acknowledgement for you, but for some reason it doesn't show up. It shows as null. Oh, I'm not showing it to you properly. You guys can see here acknowledgements. I remember saving it. It's about to sleep, bro. Oh, you're talking to Sarah? Okay. Let's see what should be done inside the code. Main.go routes. Maybe I'm not doing acknowledgements properly. That could also be a problem. So for the front end, let's go back to front end and open that in a separate window. And inside here, where is the app.tsx and all users? Okay, pages, user model, and acknowledgements is an array of string. Yes, using Firefox for development is so 2000s era. It's fine. I'm just I really like Firefox because new. Are you trying to refer to that cloud engineers where they are saying like, okay, prompting is old now, we have to use loops? I saw that, it was really funny. Because Firefox made most of my projects happen. I cannot monitor this YouTube live from Chrome, any Chrome based browsers. Doesn't happen to be Google Chrome, any Chrome based browser. Even Chromium, I was not able to do that. But for Firefox, I was able to do a lot of other things, which was great. Yeah, it does take a bit more RAM compared to like Google Chrome. You can see it's almost like up there. 1400 for what? For what? There's two tabs. I don't have any other Firefox session open, just one for two tabs. It's way too much. Probably you might ask extensions, but it's nothing, bro. I can like let's see, I like disable this, and does it drop something? No, didn't make a dent. For some reason Firefox takes a lot of RAM. Don't know why, but it does take. Probably this developer thing might take up more. No, just 200 MB. That one complaint I have is like it takes a lot of memory compared to others, but that's fine. Most browsers are, but Firefox, trust me, bro, Firefox does take a lot more than Chrome. Chrome is a bit more optimized. Anyways, network. Let's see. So what might be the problem is I might not be sending the acknowledgements to the backend, or maybe something is happening there. Let's see. For the front end, let's see the APIs, utilities, API tokens, and update user constants. No. Where am I using this update user endpoint? All user txx, and then somewhere here console logs user points updated. Oh, I'm only sending. Oh, it's save points. Acknowledge user. Okay. Post put user acknowledged successfully, and I have acknowledgement. I am sending it back. So you can't beat Google, I guess. I don't think so. It's not that easy. It's especially in the browser game, they are still the king. Everyone is using Chrome now, but we have to support something which is not Chrome. Having just one tool is going to be bad for like developers or any people in our community in general. Brave is also Chrome based, bro. Brave is also Chrome based. Brave is good. I don't hate Brave, but it's not good for like automation or development or. So the problem is you guys know how I'm tracking the YouTube live chat, right? That's where a browser instance running in the background, especially Firefox, and it which lets me listen to the API, and I can just read the API payload which is coming from the YouTube itself. In that way, I don't have to use YouTube API or pay money. But you Chrome let me do that for one day, and after that, for some reason, the YouTube started not working on my page or on my Google page. So that definitely felt sketchy. Hey, Brave and Brave Origin are two different things. I didn't know. So we definitely have user acknowledgements here. So that means let's go and try to see the backend. Maybe that had something. Somewhere here, middleware API, update user, yes. And then in the payload is here. Probably I might need to spin up an instance and see what's the issue here. Go run main.go, and also inside why do I have LLM open? Front end, let's day npm. No, it's not npm, npx wheat. And inside constants, I have to change the IP address to what was it? Export constant base 129. I hope that's the one I have. IP config. There is still a very happiness when you type your own code, bro. For some reason, it costs on Windows, Mac, but it's free for Linux. I never knew there is a thing called Brave Origin. Paid version of Brave web browser that removes features like crypto wallet. Okay, but it's also based on Chrome. So again, but see, all these browsers are fine. The browser is not the problem. It's just that enabling or letting people like me who can dig deep into like networking and stuff. I don't think this browser will support that. There is another one coming like Liber or something. Which has its own engine. It's being written in Rust apparently. Oh, there is no .env file. I don't remember where was my. Oh yeah, for automation and stuff, we only focus on Chromium. Honestly, a large number of people never go beyond their default browser. Yes, Ladybird. Yes, that's the browser. That's the browser. The difference between automation and doing janky or cranky things is whatever I'm doing right now is. I mean, it's my computer, it's my browser, it's my internet. Why cannot I monitor the browser's network activity in my machine? Chrome doesn't let you do that. Any Chrome based or Chromium based browser will not let you do that. I'm not talking about like automating like drop downs or stuff. I am talking about monitoring. Firefox, not exactly Firefox, the nightly browser, which is what Firefox, like headless version of Firefox is, that lets you do that. The other browser doesn't let you. I went into the GitHub of Chromiums and they were like security things, we have to follow like Google standards. I think they're writing in Swift or Shift. I don't know about Shift language. No, bro. I heard, or I might be wrong. Yeah. See, maybe they are just adopting it. Anyways, yeah, they might be using Swift. Chromium, the network API is different. Letting you give an API is not what I want. I want, okay, this is my computer. Let me see what's happening in my browser. Google always tries to do like, okay, this product needs to be secured, so we'll not let anyone see. But how can you see? How can my browser see the network? Because you trust my browser more than my own machine. It just doesn't feel right for me, so that's why Firefox. And the one more thing which I use, one more big reason I use Firefox in my Android phone as well is extensions. Firefox in Android has extension support. Chrome doesn't have it. They're not. It's not like they don't want. It's not like they cannot build or they cannot have extensions running in the Android version or mobile version. It's just that they don't want people to install extensions in mobile Android Chrome. Firefox lets you install extensions in your phones. Imagine the limits of having a bunch of extensions running. Of course, make sure you have a powerful phone. I think they started with Swift. Why would they use Swift, man? That I hate that language. It's like C, Objective C. Anyways, okay, yeah, I need to bring back my env file. Hmm. Oh, why is it using? It's using. But we should only limit this to IPv4. No question mark in the above command law. 99%, 99% of people don't need anything outside the default offering. Oh, mm, that's true. I mean, I can only give you one example. Back in when I was in India, in Nizamabad, that's where I'm from. The internet is speed enough. They have 30 Mbps, 40 Mbps, 50 Mbps, but it only is a good internet if you're watching YouTube or Instagram or like normal stuff. Like 99% of people don't need above that, which is true. But whenever you're trying to play a game, trying to set up an FTP server, trying to communicate, basically this somewhat, I won't even call it advanced, bro. Gaming is like common. my internet would suck. I would get like 800 ping just to play in my own Indian servers. Why? Because they did not route it in such a way. They find cheapest routes to get the maximum speed, so that people who are watching YouTube and all the stuff, when I call someone to my home that hey, my internet is not working properly, he came and he did a speed test, and he did not even do a speed test. He just opened a YouTube video, set it to 4K, and say it's not buffering, the speed is fine. Because most people will only do that. Hey, 8 likes, thank you so much. Whoever liked my stream. What was the one? Thank you. Thanks. Oh, it's thanks. No, thank you. Who would spin up an FTP server for fun? That's not the point. I'm not blaming the internet providers as well. I'm not blaming the people as well. I'm not blaming myself as well. There is no one's fault. It's just that if no one does things which other people, like most other people, won't do, then we will not get quality or good stuff. That's what I'm trying to say. If no one is trying to do janky things, then we will only be getting what other peoples would get. We will not get what we want. Let's say if we are talking, let's say about a bike. Okay, let's say no one puts helmet. Okay, and you are the only one who does it, and you need to buy a helmet holder somewhere. Yeah, I got your point. I'm kidding. Okay. Oof. Okay, let's. I looks like I might need my env file, so let's go back to my terminal. SSH 236. I'm feeling hungry, bro. Did I log in? Yes. ls cd stream assistant ls. Is it inside alerts? It should be inside alerts. Yes. Let me like copy paste this. I'll be back 1 second. Okay, I'm done. It's already lunchtime. Haven't eaten anything yet. No, I did not. I can go down and cook, but I have to stop the stream. Objective C and Swift are two different things, I think. Yeah, there are two different things. I mean, they work fine for like iOS stuff, but I don't know. Writing a browser engine in Swift, I mean, who knows? I'm not that big of a like engineer or developer myself. That's fine. Okay, this thing worked. Okay, now let's change the front end to this one, and let's also open up. Where is the browser? Close. Anything interesting happening in Twitter these days? Why is it not fetching anything? Oh, because I don't have any database. So looks like I need to have my own database file somewhere here. Let's see, where was my database? The database is userdb. Okay, I can download from my own. Tech is getting fun. This is the tiny 4K podcast camera with a detachable magnetic base. Hmm. UserDB June 23rd. Probably that's the last I did stream. So I'm downloading this. Okay, downloaded, and let's keep it here. Oh, there is a UserDB. So delete that and rename. Hey, delete this, please. Why do you need a podcast camera? I don't need one. I have a GoPro and all the other stuff. Even those, I'm not really fully using it. I agree. I don't need any of this. It's just a bit of news, exciting. Just because I don't need it, I don't want that to be developed. No, I want new things to come up. I want good, healthy competition. Okay, we have these, so let's see what's happening in the acknowledgements now. Let's go Anton. Nice guy. Wrong spelling. Nice guy. Acknowledge. Oh, the stupid. Okay. API token. Probably that's the one. Yep, API token. Cancel. Acknowledge. Nice guy. Why do you need not you anybody? There might be needing it, bro. So podcast camera. They are saying like podcast camera, but we'll need to see like all-in-one 4K podcast camera. It's having like a small camera. Okay, it works on Wi-Fi. It has like Sony IMX. It's basically like a mobile camera, 5 recording loops and more. Okay, privacy is okay. I understand the use case. There is a need for this. Why? Because most people record things with their phones, and they also have something like these action cameras which can record the same thing. So they just need a small phone which does recording instead of having a phone to just record videos. They are using this. I never used debugger before. Now that I'm working as a developer, I almost always run it via debugger. I do use it, but at this point, I don't really like need it. Okay, this acknowledgement has been received. Where is the other Z browser alerts? Okay, payload. Huh? Hey, Siddhant. If you don't, welcome to the stream, bro. How is your life? You're a big grown up now, like working and being busy. Did you get married or what? You, you welcome to the stream, bro. Missed you. How are you, man? So I might need to have a proper payload print instead of something like this. But anyways, let's see. Oh, I do not have any like user profile. So for now, let's do something like this inside src all users user model. Uh, this is the all user, and when I open, where is the model for view user? Oh, I think you should get married before him. Of course. I mean, you guys are pretty young than me. I'll soon look the weather and energy. I love the weather and I have heard that Bangalore has a good like weather in general. The company giving him more, probably giving him more work. How is the new company, bro? You started earning big money now. Grown up. Why do I not see selected user? Okay, I do have the object. I do have the information. Who was the one I was trying to give? What was it? Harish, right? Okay. Oh, I did give it for Anton. Acknowledgements is null. So let's try printing acknowledgements. Handle user acknowledgements here. Print payload. We are not doing any parsing or stuff like that. So that's why. Pipes Hub Inc. Do you mind if I check it out, or I mean, if you revealed it already? Pipes Hub. ink. An open source Glen alternate. What exactly is this pricing? We are a team and AI work together. Oh, it's like Atlassian used by developers from most AI agent 2 community. Looks interesting, bro. I mean, like a newish company, that means you get to work with the newer technology instead of like Spring Boot, Dave C++. How many of you know Dave C++? Okay, self-host yourself and use it, but if you want to host from their cloud, then that's a different idea. Still love it, bro. Nice. What are the tools you work on? .NET. Python. Chi. Just kidding. Just kidding. Where is the open source GitHub repo? I think I have, but it's okay. Majority programming language is Python, and there is 21% TypeScript. I mean, what are you guys doing in Python? Front end is obviously React or some. Oh, they're doing using LM Studio. Development backend. You guys have two backends, Node.js and Python. Best and worst language ever created. I mean, it's a fine language, bro. It's a fine language. So code generator, app, containers, connects, APIs, routes. You guys have chatbot, entity, health, search, speech, toolkit, agent. So let's see. Let's see what Siddhant has worked on. What is your profile, bro? Contributors. Where is okay? Now I'm node ID. Okay, where is Siddhant? My college made me write code in Day C++. Yeah, my college is like 2016, so obviously Day C++ was the best at that time. Anoop, Siddhant, where is Siddhant? Probably they are not revealing all the other people yet. Uncle Slayer, what a shitty name, bro. Oh, right here, right here. Okay, we are into Siddhant. Oh, yep. Look at how beautiful Siddhant. Look at how beautiful. I'm a community taught developer. You can drop me an email at thesip@gmail.com. Hey, that's a nice to the sip. That's nice. That's nice. Creative. Also, now I am in fourth year. Very good. Very good. Look at him. So, what have you worked on, bro? What are the commits you made? PR. Is this like PR12? I think that's the one. View table download. No. So, Uncle Slayer. I'm going to rip you in pieces now. Just for fun. Just for fun. I did not work on anything open source, so at least you get to uh, gloat about it. Uncle Slayer. I did like your email, bro, to the SIP. That's nice. Of course I can check. I'm cloning the repository to see their commits. I like VS Code's version a bit better for Git instead of Z. All right, let's look at our friend's work. Let Git lens load. It takes some time. Tun 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 tun. Tin 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 tin. Uncle Slayer, Uncle Slayer. How long were you working, bro? I mean, I can just clearly see from the history. Uncle, no. Oh, it does show Siddhant Ota here. Okay. Okay. You have been working for past 9 months. You might be an SME of 1.5 months, but here it's just like 9 months. Whom are you lying, bro? You're lying to me? To my face? Show my face. This is unacceptable. We thought to get married together. I was contributing earlier. Oh, you're contributing before and then they like hired you? Very nice, man. Very nice. Let's see what kind of a shit code you wrote. They offered from my contributions no interview. Very interesting, man. You are one of those like inspiring people. Where I mean, you love Python. I guess. Back to gaming. You apply using GitHub. PY. Oh, you use data class. That's a nice touch. So you're not a typical. Okay, I like this code, bro. Even I write something like this at my work Python, where we define data classes or class just to bring that as much as possible. The typing as much as possible. I don't really like the generic Python like language. Add examples for entrepreneur. Bitbucket data source, RSS connector added. 1 minute. My mom's texting me. 1 second, guys. Foam. She's ordering something. I have to check whether it's the right one or not. Okay, done. I should be inspired by him. Yep. They offered from my contribution. So open source contribution does work. But how did you find this repository? How did you decide you have to work on this? How That's the main part. Like how moved git contribution agent. Okay. Open source is the easiest way. I mean, yeah, look, it worked for you, then obviously it would be easier for you. How did you decide to work on this repository? On found it on Reddit. Hmm. I'm just trying to get the process, or like how did you find it, so that when someone asks you or asks me, we can be able to help. I wanted to learn. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, that's the first question. Which, but how did you decide? Were you using this product? I understand. Like, okay, I was using this product. I contributed it, and they hired it. That's fine. Pin the founder. Hey, want to contribute? I know this. Okay. Very awesome, man. I I did not contribute on any open sources yet. Langchain and Langgraph. I have no idea what are. that. Hey, what? I did not close it. Looks like found it from those keyword Langchain and Langgraph. Hey, real noob, welcome to the stream. Welcome, welcome, bro. Welcome. We were just talking about how Siddhant got a job from open source contribution. Okay, I accidentally muted my microphone. Sorry. So you don't use AI frameworks. Instead, you use the bare LLM API. Remember? Yes, I remember that. But I don't use it. I agree. I tried to use it, but it was a bit more complicated. I was trying to adjust my microphone. I totally forgot about it. Distributed key value. I whenever I tried, I see it. I wanted to learn it, but then I. What's up? Am I sounding bad or what? Quick start Docker. So what exactly is this project again? It's like an open self-hosted AI native execution layer that connects enterprise knowledge, delivers explainable search from citations and automatic workflows for your system. Is it like documentation where Tesseract expense? Okay, is it free or expensive? Tesseract extract expense. I hope that's free. If it's try for free. Where is the pricing? Okay. I think I'm in the wrong place. Dude, hide AWS. Yeah, 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 got it. I hate the sponsoring. Stupid. Okay, pricing. Free tier. As a part of AWS free tier, you can get started with the AWS for free if the free lasts 3 months, and a new AWS customer can analyze up to these months. So it's not free. 100 pages are free, but not free forever. Only for 3 months. It's not like AWS has this free forever kind of a thing. That's free. This is like a trial version. So the one thing I'm using right now, Minstrel AI, it's also doing a good job, bro. No, in Slack, you ping, you create me a Jira ticket, it will do it for you. It connects all the workflows apps in Pipe sub platform. They aren't buzzword for enterprise. Hmm. So it's okay. We are using the same at the startup. I'm interning it. Yay. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. Did you also find that job using like doing open source contributions? Okay, let's see what they are doing. Connectors, I don't know, this might be these guys app, and then you select these two and collections and you do that too. Okay. Or cross reference Jira timeout blockers, okay, and then it's a bit too fast. I mean, I don't personally deal with these citations myself. No, I won a hackathon. Damn. And one of the judge hired me. Bro, how are you guys so intelligent, man? No, I feel like stupid. I don't do any open source contribution. Uh, I don't even at our work we only use Jira and Teams, so we do not have any like I'm trying to set chairs height. It's not increasing or decreasing. I think it's the max height I have. So I'm sure there might be a use case for this which I don't fully understand. So it's like an integration between multiple apps. You press one button from Slack, or you don't press any button in Slack or Jira. You press your buttons in this Pipes hub and it does things for you. Pipe Hub delivers grounded answers for precision block citations to the original documents. Hey, Jane, please welcome back. Hmm. All these are supported. So, did I get this right? You tell this application, okay, to create a ticket in Jira and also do and then it's going to do that. Did I get it right, Siddhant? I mean, Siddharth is like a big man now. I don't know he might able to respond to me or not. Front end is Next.js, TypeScript, Redux UI. Themes, okay. Zord, schema validation and parsing, and React hook forms. Backend is Fast API. I mean, I guess that's the fastest in Python. LangChain and LangGraph. I know Kafka, Redis. I know PDF Plumber. Okay. Dockling, document parsing and extraction toolkit distribution. We are building some cool stuff too. You can connect to any SQL DB and chat. In other companies, they have the context from DB, and we have the context from your Jira as well, which gives better context. And I can hold down. It's okay, Wolfie. It's okay. Even at my work, I mean, Wolfie, it's fine. It's fine. You know how Siddhant was before? Siddhant was one big of a horny dude who created a fake profile and texted me on Discord trying to, trap me. That's how Siddhant is. We are all the same. Don't worry. You will also get your time, bro. Relax. MCP server. Siddhant, are you denying that you did it? Are you denying it? Pi PDF. We are actually also having some issues with PDF. I might need to remember these like docling, document parsing, and extraction toolkit. Distribution task system queue Redis. What I did? Aren't you the one who created that? No, 1 second. I have proof. I have proof, but I don't know how to traverse in this Discord. Cosplayers. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. I can't find it. Hey, I can't find it in my Discord, bro. Okay, forget about it. All right, what were we doing? Yes, acknowledgements. So let's now try to see. Let's now try to see what's happening in the body, and let's see what exactly happening. So I forgot what was the. I need to parse this body. Invalid JSON and then get the payload. Okay, this is the payload. So I need to print payload here. No, I did not lie, bro. Either you or who was it? Who was it? Not in the Discord, but I think someone. Hey, that was you, Siddhant, who created another YouTube. What do you call it? Account and came in as in my chat as a woman. I forgot the name as well. Maybe my bot has recorded that. Was that not you? Who was it? I'm sure that was you. There are a lot of like Sarah. Yes, 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 yes. But you did text me on Discord as well. Brantel, I don't know. But it was Sarah. It was Sarah. See, I was not lying. So see, show my face. Even though Siddhant is a rich dude now, but he was like horny ass, like creating woman's profile and coming into my chat trying to mimic that he's a woman. But I did not fall for it. But that's Siddhant for you. That's the real Siddhant. He's acting all like Python, like Docker or what was a lang chain and stuff like that. But oh, you remember the kiss command? Back to gaming. You remember Sarah? Yeah, that was him. Sarah was nobody. It's Siddhant. Spider-Man might be expensive. I don't know if you have that many points. Real nub. Oh, you have it. T. Okay, Allah, let's try to send an acknowledgement now. Nice guy. Oh, I forgot. Nice guy. Okay, acknowledge. This has been sent. Let's in the alerts. It is not being parsed properly, I guess. Okay, we have to print payload, not this one. Stupid. What are you working on? I'm working on this acknowledgement section. It's a good idea. I have like a. I did decode the body, but I did not. I should have been printing this payload instead of that one. Nice guy. Acknowledge been sent. Payload is. Hey, payload is fine. It is the user ID and did I. Is this not the right payload? Where's the damn payload, bro? Increase, increase, increase. Okay, this is the proper JSON. So what's happening? Frog isn't working. It used to apply a frog head in to your face. Yes, but those, bro, don't act weird, Siddhant. It's not been that long. You remember the frog animation? There was a stupid application which I was using, and it's broken. It doesn't maintain properly, and if it crashes, I have to reconfigure everything again. So I have removed it, and instead of that, because it's using a lot of GPU also, and now I'm trying to put my own things like optimized instead of having like the filter. I miss that thing too, but it's not really maintainable in the long term. So pretty cool. Specifically with your Pi server, have any resources for Go? Will you marry me? Absolutely no, because you're acting weird. First I said yes, but now you're like different. Hey, where was the guy I love girls? The moment I read his name, it reminded of you. I thought it was you creating a like a you came with a different user account or change your username. There was a guy like you, bro, Siddhan. He named his profile like I love girls, and I was like, "Hi, I love girls. Welcome to the stream." I felt weird. What if other people were hearing me saying I love girls? Payload is done. You're talking about like resources, bro. The easiest which I found is I love girls. Yeah, everyone does it, but how? Who would put it as a name in their YouTube profile? That's not common, right? That's the one I'm referring to. Everybody, no, 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 no. Siddhant loves me. Siddhant loves me. Okay, I'm both. I'm a god boy. Will you like me? No, you're acting weird today, Siddhant. You have changed. This is not the Siddhant I loved. Payload is here. Get the user ID. Probably it's maybe this section is not working as expected. Go dump. Hey, how did I use dump? I totally forgot. Okay, if that's simple, then that's fine. Oh, I already have the user here. I already have the user. One day when YouTube no longer needs Siddhant, he will come back. I mean, that's what we want. I want people to live their lives, but sometimes join the stream, say hi, tell what you're doing, and then go back to your life. Is that the reason MongoDB dump Python user acknowledgement trigger handle update user? Handle not handle the update user. This is the one we want. Oh, I'm not printing anything. Yeah, okay, that's fine. So get the user by ID. I'm getting a call, guys. Okay, I'll be back, guys. I need to. It's raining and looks like they have clothes outside. I'll go get them. 1 minute. Okay, okay. I am back. All right. I also got these. Show my face. Dandia, popsicles, Pepsi, whatever you call it. I mean, obviously, you're not supposed to use nail cutter for this, but I don't have a scissors. Amazing. Back to gaming. Oh, I'm actually not updating anything. I am not updating anything. Did I create like two different, or maybe I was trying to merge these two functions into one? Handle update user, that's working. Handle acknowledgement. So maybe just do whatever we have. Merge user. So payload. I think I don't have to use this specific one. I can just use like the same function and it would also work fine. Yeah, started. Okay, I press acknowledge. Nice guy. Acknowledge. Successfully updated. Let's see if the thing has been updated. Oh, it's being. I don't know why it has three. Okay, because like state management. Okay. What have you been up to? What do you mean? Me as in like life, or what did I do? Go down. So I did went down because it was raining. I mean, it was not raining, but they called me thinking that it's raining, and you know my original name too. So yeah, okay. I think now we accidentally are showing like three files. Let's do Anton. Let's go find Anton. YouTube Anton. Where is Anton? Right here. Open inspect. Do like a refresh again. Network. Where is the user ID? Response. This is the one. Yes. I'm still fetching like zero. Why? Son of I don't know. In live, I think the same, bro. still doing the same job. Life is going like smooth. It's not a bad thing. I got a car recently. It's a Tesla. I made also a video about it. I think you also commented on it, but if you didn't, then you're no friend of mine. And what else? Yeah, still the same room, same place, still alive, doing good. Amazing. Yes, that's the one. That's the one. I know I really wanted to make it as fun watching, but then I realized I'm not that fun, outside of my like in front, not outside of my computer. Overemployment, there is no such thing as everyone is struggling to find a job. 2 to 3 extra jobs. Oh, that I don't do that because I'm not that greedy, and I'm not, you know, what do you call it? I don't like. I'm not opposed to that one because there are like reasons people why they do that. Maybe some have to pay their loans, some have to have a lot of commitments. They need more money. I understand that. The only thing I am completely opposed is like greed. If you're doing fine in life, maybe try doing something else. But again, we cannot tell others people like what do you call it to do with their life. So I just don't forget about it. I've been taking melatonin recently. It's good telling it. It make the world a better place. Why did you use melatonin, bro? It's been a long time. I'm not. I stopped using it. I only use it on Sundays night because I usually wake up late on Saturdays, and I don't want that to happen. So in order to fall asleep at 11, I take it like 120 mg on night. For some reason, I'm not fetching Anton's acknowledgements. I don't know why is that the reason, but we'll see. What's Vicodin? Is it like a brand or is it like a drug like melatonin? 5 mg 2 to 3 times a week. I take one solid 20 mg. I take 10 mg. I break the tablet in half, so that's 10 mg. The whole tablet is 20 mg. I totally forgot. I mean, it's definitely updating the user base. Oh, sorry. It's getting the acknowledgements from my original database. So once probably I need to push this and like test it one more time to see how that works. I should also implement like editing the acknowledgements too, you know. Highly addictive painkiller. We don't need painkillers, bro. मर्द को दर्द होता है. Might not be the right words, but that's okay. So acknowledgements are here. We should also be able to edit them and do them. Should we should we have like an ID for each acknowledgement instead of a string array? Do you guys know this? Why I'm talking about ID is because uh, when you're trying to edit something or delete, I don't know. But maybe, I mean, it's just my application. I'm the only one who's using it. I can find like a simpler alternate instead of complicating my database now. Yeah, that's pretty tasty. Oh, you guys know that. So you're also old enough like me. I thought you guys like younglings who don't really know these kind of fun stuff. I didn't expect to find these in US. I thought only Indians would do that, but these people also like it. These are like my favorite. This is like black grape, very nice. This is watermelon. I hate the dark blue one. It tastes like dying bug. Certainly hate it. I like the white one too. It's like buttermilk. What's I'm 22, dude. I'm 28. Harish, you don't know this? How old are you, Harish? Unless you are 16 or 14, I don't think you, if you are 16 or 14, you would watch my stream, firstly. And if you are 16 or 14, I don't think you would know about these. You are also 22. Why are all like 22s? Like, oh, BTech fourth year, then probably 22. Yes, you're right. Stop. My whole life. Stop lying, bro. That's what you promised in my or the last stream you joined, but you didn't keep up. So I hurt. I don't want to be hurt anymore. I don't want to get hurt. And lol, I'm a dinosaur. Then I'm 33. Hey, Wolfie, show my face. Thank you so much, bro. You know what these people do in my chat? They come into my chat thinking like saying, "Hey, you're too old. We are like young stuff like that." But it feels good. Someone who is older than me. Cheers. Amazing. Oh, you're. Oh, that was. Sorry, Harish. Harish and Manish. You two guys are brothers to me. Okay. You two guys are brothers. It is Rasna. It's not Rasna, bro. It's. I love Rasna, by the way. Cheers. I love Rasna, bro. It's nice. But I don't know. Is it still available? There is Tango. The one which I loved more than Rasna was Tango. I don't know if I'm getting the name right. Tango. No, it's not Tango. It's Tang. It's Tang. Yeah, Tang. Yeah, this is the one. Not this one, but there would be a packet one. Yeah, Tango. Yeah. Tang. Yes. I don't know. I don't know why I remember it as Tango. If you want to show my screen, I think you have. I don't know what was the command for it. Screen. Yes. Why would I don't remember the commands my own for my own channel. I need to be more. What do you call it? Uh, Consistent. I'm not going to stream from Monday to Friday, bro. I'm going to stream Telugu from Monday to Friday. But on weekends, I'll definitely stream in this channel. Nice. I also, a friend of mine was not using this mouse. It's a Microsoft mouse. Show my face. It's a very weird design. I hate it. This slim. But if you want to turn it on, it's that's how it turns on. Come on. Oh, come on, show this one first. Yeah. That's how it turns on. And it's so uncomfortable to hold. I don't know why would they design it. And there is no left click or right click. It's like lean. You have to lean towards the right and press it. If not, it's going to press the left click. Yeah. And just like trying to hold it is really problem. And if you lay your hand a bit like relaxed, it would fall back to off. But the only cool idea is they do not have a scroll wheel. So this entire thing is a touch sensor. If I do this, it scrolls. So I mean, I understand the idea. First, throw it out. I just needed another mouse because I only have two mouse. One is for like directly wired connected to the gaming so that I can play. It's wireless, but I connect it to gaming. The other one is this I really love. It's the ergonomic mouse where I connect to my work, streaming, and gaming. But there were times when I need two mouse for streaming and gaming where I need to switch between two of them. Apple mouse, those people like I don't know. You came back to Linux again. What are you using for your Linux? Every time I see someone using Linux, I also wanted to switch, but all the reasons. Don't say those people you use Windows. I am using Windows. Everyone knows it because my Elgato, my microphone, the Stream Assistant, not my code, but the Streamer bot. What do you call it? Those applications are only supported in Windows, and especially this multi-monitor setup, along with cloning the Elgato with my gaming monitor, like the primary one. These are not working. So at least they don't put a charging port in the bottom. Oh, this runs with batteries, bro. There is like two AAA cells, or like the slim, the diet, the slim version, two cells. That's not a skill issue, Siddhant. It's not a skill issue, man. Look around and no one. If you are using a stream assistant, then you just need to stop it. Like April. What is April? It doesn't matter, bro. Your comment is already, where is it? It's like right here. Oh, it's like Apple. I read it as April. I don't really love Windows, but things just work fine. You have an application, you turn it on, and it works. And I optimized my own like version of this. I disabled a lot of stuff. I hate File Explorer, so that's why I use this one now. Very fast, very optimized. Like, it can save profiles for each directory. That's really awesome. It's also open source, so I keep it to Windows, but it's fine. This is the one operating system that works for me. Hey, last time I tried switching to Linux, you guys were there. It was really a problem for me. I was writing Go SDK for my company. Windows doesn't let me run a Go file with updates or setups in its name. Oh, skill issue. Now says skill issue. Yeah, you were there. Manish was there. I don't know Harish or Manish. Some weird ass execution policy. There are bunch of other weird ass executions in Linux too. The thing is they let you do it, but Windows won't let you do it. Coming back to the Cloud Strike, I don't think normal customers like Windows customers would get Cloud Strike. It's only enterprise who has it. So this is working. I don't need to update it, but let's also try doing the cloning my. Do I have GitHub logged in this profile? Okay, I have it. Bane blocks. Okay, I might need to clone this one. Thank you so much, Harish. Thank you. I was actually waiting for you to do that. It feels good when you write commands and people use it. That feels good. That's why I was waiting for you. Is he going to type screen? Is it going? If not, I was ready to press that button in my phone to switch it. That's okay. Feels good. Thank you. Thanks. I hope that's the one. Yes. Okay. So what was the original idea was to show the acknowledgements as a badge and show it in my chat box next to your like Harish, and then like you are an evil. I'm not evil, man. It's just, I mean, I understand as a streamer, I have to, whenever I switch screens, you need to, like, I need to show it, but it feels good. Hey, someone liked my stream. Thank you so much. Who is that dude? Kaun hai? Who is that? I'm opening one more. I'm enjoying this stream, even though I'm hungry. I'm not going for lunch, or I'm not going to take one because I can survive without eating once. But I don't get you guys until next week. So it's already melted. Thanks for 10 likes. I need to cut off this edge. You did not like until now? Come on. Come on, bro. I didn't know this going to be this hard. I mean, it's a small nail cutter compared to the big ones, but I don't have it. Okay. It's okay. I mean, you eat with your own hands, bro. Even the food was going to touch your hand like nails. What now? Harish, try to put that GIF. Wa na wa. Try to put that GIF. Exclamation GIF. Wa na wa. Let's see. I hope the GIF command works now. Hey, come on. Are you doing it or do you want me to do it? Yeah. Well, there is another person, but not that one. Let's try to bring it to the one from Telugu. Can it do that? This is the best flavor. Best of best. Okay. Let's deal with acknowledgements inside the chat window. Let's put a timer for 1 hour. What? Stupid. 40 minutes. Okay, start. Let's do like focused. Cuddle man. Why would it show lion instead of a man? Try gay. I don't know if that works, but try gay. Mm. He did type gay, so what are you doing, Ridan? Cuddle cow. That was nice. Make sure you guys have enough points. GIF costs 2 points. Okay. We have the acknowledgements. What we do now is we need to show it in the users. So let's go and try to clone that. Terminal, I don't know if I have it already. Gh repo clone Bane blocks. What did you cuddle lizard? Allergy. Cuddle time. Okay. Cuddle Maharashtra. What? I don't. Is there a GIF, bro? Rose Cloud AP. Why would it show? I think Tenor, which was a better API, Tenor or what do you call it? Clippy. I'm sure we can like divert that to the GIF we want, but that would need a lot of keywords. Tato. What's Tito? Senior DevOps. I I don't know what Tenor was. I think yeah, Tenor was good, but again, we do not have an option now, so let's say Clippy. I don't know Casanity too. Hmm. What this has to do with Yamaha? Yamaha's creation. Yamaha is a bike company, or is it? So teams, I've totally forgot about this one too. User static images, no layouts, user, YouTube, user, and then single. So somewhere here we need to like show, just not with someone else. I hope. What do you mean? Chalo, bro. Good night. See you again. Just not with. Okay, bro. I'll wait for you. Have a good night. Bye bye. So I don't know how to install these. I don't know if I have them all. There is like package.json, so I'm just going to say npm install tailwind. So let's just install them and do npm start. I think I have the readme start npm start, and it's not working. Hugo is not recognized as an internal command. Do I not have Hugo? I did not. Do I not have Hugo? This is going to be a problem. I don't know which version I have. Hugo version 0.112. Hey, wait a minute. I don't have to do that one. Okay. Code.blazingbane.com. Yeah, I don't get leave page. Top Gun. It's not working. Okay. Oh, all my containers were moved. All my containers were moved. Okay, I totally. So I do not have Hugo then. Then where was I writing my Hugo code? Okay, this means I need to do that section later. Done. Windows is not responding. Reopen. This is the same problem I'm getting. It's working fine. Oh, you're talking about this chat GPT is not working. Okay. I need to initiate. Do I have the Docker file or Docker YAML here? I do not. Probably I need to add that here. So let's go to my streaming PC and see about that one. Why do I not have a Hugo version? Hugo Docker image. I have the Hugo Docker image. Hey, how can I, if I have an image, create, will you stream tomorrow as well in the IST? I'll plan, I'm sure I'll do the same tomorrow as well. I don't have any plans. అట్లేం లేదు బ్రో బాగుంటుంది create docker container with an image. I don't know what's the command for it. It's docker run ding ding ding. Use an I don't need an interactive terminal detached mode. Okay, మహేష్ బాబు వస్తున్నాడా Magesh. Bob అంటారు బాబ్. డాకర్ ఇమేజ్ ఉంది నా దగ్గర. ఇట్ వాస్ క్రియేటెడ్ ఇన్ 7/11/2025. సో లెట్స్ ఓపెన్ లైక్ a terminal and start typing docker run -d -p -name Hugo. అదేంటి డాకర్ లేదా ఉందిగా. టెస్లా మోడల్ ఎక్స్ అది పనిచేసిందా జిఫ్? ఒకవేళ జిఫ్ ఏదైనా రాకపోతే చెప్పండి, చూద్దాం ఏమన్నా బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్లో ఏమైనా చేయొచ్చేమో. ఇప్పుడు వచ్చిందా వారణాసి? ఓకే. docker run d9 create or run a new container from the image. Use docker run -d image is oh, I don't know. ఇది డాకర్ ఫైల్. ఓ డాకర్ ఫైల్ ఉంది కదా. అదేదో బొమ్మకారు వచ్చింది. టెస్లా మోడల్ ఎక్స్. నార్మల్ టెస్లా అని కూడా చూడు. I have a docker file. దీంట్లో కూడా గిటాబ్ లాగిన్ లేదు. చా కేబిహెచ్డి అంటే టెస్లా. ఓకే, నాకు డాకర్ ఫైల్ దొరికింది, బట్ నా దగ్గర డాకర్ లేదు. నా దాంట్లో డాకర్ ఉందా? మోనాలిసా. సో ఈ డాకర్ది తర్వాత సెట్ చేస్తాను నేను. ఓకే, లెట్స్ సీ హౌ కెన్ ఐ ఇనిషియేట్ దిస్ వన్. Do I have Docker in this PC? Okay, luckily I have Docker. That's fine. So let's go and try to pull a live Docker file. Remove from this and copy it into the repository. Docker file. Okay, paste. What? The files has been moved or deleted. What do you mean? Games, coding, and then just pressed it to plain blocks. Docker file. Okay, close. We have one here. Let's Docker file for the Hugo code. Commit. 8443. That's the port I need to open. Okay, Docker run -d -p 84 Hugo. What? Error response to the pull accident report does not exist or may require Docker login. What do you mean? I have it. Is it? It's definitely there. ls, do we have docker file? Okay, docker run dash d, docker run dash it, hugo container. I have the docker file, bro. I have the docker file. How can I spin up container? Docker run dash d name ante kada. Docker run dash d detach mode dash dash name antena. My container, my app. For example, if your docker file is in the current directory, then build gives an image name and tell the docker to use that directory as a build context. If your app exposes port, useful command docker ps see all the containers real. Okay, first a file to an image create చేయాలి. Direct command ఉండదా? Docker build dash t hugo app. Docker build tx error requires one argument. The heck? ఒరే ఏంట్రా? ఇది డాకర్ ఫైలు, ఇది బాబు నా ఫైల్స్ చెప్పు ఇప్పుడు. ఓ డాకర్ బిల్డ్ ఓకే ఇక్కడ ఉంది. హే డాకర్ బిల్డ్ హ్యూగో డెవ్ డాస్టీ అంట. ఓకే it's pulling the image, it's building the image. Let's stand for a bit. It's been 3 hours almost. అన్ని ఎక్కడ చూసినా వైర్లే. ఓకే నైస్. ఓకే కూల్. సేమ్ పొజిషన్, కొంచెం పైకి పెట్టుకుందాం మైక్, ఇది కూడా కొద్దిగా పైకి. ఓకే కనిపిస్తుంది. ఎంతసేపు అయ్యా బాబు? సో అప్పట్లోపు నేను చేస్తాను ఎడిట్ పాయింట్స్, అక్నాలెడ్జ్మెంట్స్. దిస్ ఈజ్ వేర్ అక్నాలెడ్జ్. am I showing something? ఓకే the బ్లాక్లో ఉంది అది. selected user and user selected, last name, last thing. Okay, div style. I remember Angler but I forgot color. Okay, nice guy, nice guy, nice guy. Next store world. Selected user dot acknowledgements, and selected user dot acknowledgements dot length is greater than 0. That's when we show this element p for we have to do a loop. Selected user dot, oh sorry, I can't see my keyboard. Map. Okay, and inside this we have acknowledgement, which is a string. Why is this not working? Okay, ఇంతే కదా రాసేది మొత్తం, సింటాక్స్ మర్చిపోయా. సెలెక్టెడ్ యూజర్ డాట్ మ్యాప్. మ్యాప్లో ఇంకేముంది, బ్రాకెట్స్ ఓపెన్ చేసి డైరెక్ట్ ఇదే రాస్తామా? ఓకే. ఓ acknowledgements. Okay, done. Acknowledgements, nice guy, nice guy, nice guy. Okay, we need to set up style. Max height to, let's say, 200 pixels, and overflow auto. Cool. We have this one. Let's see docker ఏమైంది. Okay, do we have an image now? Docker file, nd hugo coding main blocks docker file undi, but where is the image? Or it might have already created it. Okay, hugo dev and v plus this one. I do not see anything. Containers, friendly Saha, execution. Hey, Apku, welcome to the stream, bro. What's up? Everything's good. Long time, weekend stream. Just trying to revise or turn on the development environment for my container, but I just cannot get it for some reason. npm start. Okay, let's see if this works now. No, what was that one? It's 1313. Yeah, after running, yes. I'm actually about to stop. uh I'm feeling hungry. I thought to fix this and then go, but looks like I'll just deal with it afterwards. It does expose 1313 and 8440. Then why is it not? If config, is that the one? Binding mounts, inspect. Bridge, network bridges, bridge local time. Okay, I'll deal with this in the next stream. All right, thanks for joining up, but sadly I have to leave now. Feeling really hungry. Thanks for all the people who watched. Manish, Harish, I'll see you again later. Till then, job these days. Yeah, my people are also just arrived. I can hear them like coming inside the home. So I was alone until this time, but they're back now. So I'll stream later. Sorry.